Hi everyone, here we've got ARCHOS Core 57S, and let me show you how to set the screen timeout on this device. So first of all, let's open the list of apps and let's find and open the settings. Here we have to tap on the display right here, and as you can see here we've got the sleep option. This is the fourth option, so let's tap on it. And as you can see here, we've got some options to choose from. We can set either 15 or 30 seconds, or 1, 2, 5, 10 or 30 minutes. Now we've got 1 minute applied, but in order to change it, simply tap on the time you want to use. For example, 10 minutes. Let's tap on it. And as you can see, it immediately changes. So it means that from now on, after 10 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. So that's all. This is how to set the timeout in your ARCHOS Core 57S. Thank you so much for watching. If you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.